Okay guys, so today is going to be a tutorial on this look right here. A nice green smoky eye for St. Patrick's Day. And if you'd like to see how to get this look, then just keep watching. Okay, so I already went ahead and did my brows with these two L'Oreal Brow Stylist Definer pencils. Just used a mix of these two colors. And then I topped that with the Colourpop Brow Boss Gel. Okay, so starting with the eyes, I'm going to use my MAC Paint Pot in Painterly as a base. And I'm going to set that paint pot with this Wet n Wild Single in Brûlée. Okay, now I'm going to take this single shadow from Anastasia called Birkin and put that all over in my crease as my transition shade. And now I'm going to take this Colourpop shadow called Paper Tiger and put that right under that transition shade. And then taking this Makeup Geek shadow in Dirty Martini and putting that even lower. And I'm also packing that on the outer corners. And then going back in with Paper Tiger and blending that out. And then blending even more with Birkin. And then I'm going to cut the crease with this metallic shadow, the Maybelline Color Tattoo Eye Chrome in Khaki Kool. And while that's still tacky, I'm going to put Colourpop's Rosé All Day right on the inner portion. And Makeup Geek's foiled eyeshadow in Take Two next to that. And then Makeup Geek's Venom after that. And then taking Dirty Martini and blending that in a little bit. And now I'm going to do the same thing to the other eye. And for a wing, I'm going to use this Clinique Pretty Easy liner. And for mascara, I'm going to be using the Stila Huge Extreme Lash Mascara. And then for lashes, I'm going to take these Kiss lashes in the style Pretty. Okay, now I'm going to take a makeup wipe and clean up all of this fallout and then move on to the face. And I just took this Makeup Geek Obsidian liner and put that on my tight line. For primer, I'm going to take my Becca First Light Priming Filter. For foundation, I'm going to use this NARS Natural Radiant Longwear foundation. And for concealer, I'm going to use my Tarte Shape Tape. And I'm going to set that concealer with this Cover FX Perfect Setting Powder. And then brush off any of that excess. And for the lower lash line, I'm going to take Paper Tiger. And then I'm going to press Dirty Martini right against the lashes. And for the inner corners, I'm going to take this shade Fly from the Lime Crime Venus 2 palette. And for the brow bone, I'm going to take Soft Gold from Anastasia. And for the waterline, I'm going to take this gold liner from L'Oreal. And then putting some more of that mascara on the lower lashes. For contour today, I'm going to take my Kat Von D Shade and Light palette with this shade right here. For highlight, I'm going to take Becca's Prosecco Pop. And for blush, I'm going to take this Dose of Colors Mint For You blush. And for lips, I'm going to take this Kylie lip liner in Malibu. And then I'm going to take this Too Faced Melted Matte Liquid Lipstick in Holy Chic and put that right on the center. And then blend that with my finger. And then give back a glow to my skin with this Pixie Glow Mist. And then set that with the Makeup Fixing Mist by Pixie. Okay guys, and here is the final look. A nice green smoky eye for St. Patrick's Day, or really anytime, I guess, if you like green. I really like the way this turned out. I really like the dimension of the 3 different metallic shades. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up and let me know in the comments what other looks you'd like to see, and I'll see you in the next video.